Starting at just $259 a month with up to $2,000 sell-down bonus stash at Wallace Visa.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you all? Dad, come here.
Gotta be in a video.
Say something. We're about to drift. Drift up. Yeah, drift up. He totally did go off the track.
We finna drift. Carter can't drive.
That'll do it. Facts. Look at all these sick cars, man. Big prop, big prop. Big prop. Ooh, ooh, that thing is mean, boy. It sounds so good.
Hey, this white car, sexiest thing here, man. Carter.
Putting the tires on. Yeah, put them tires on. Oh, buddy. Hey! Okay, so this time we're gonna do it good. and get the full run. I'm only driving like a bitch because I'm really scared because you're in here.
Okay, bye.
That was it! That was fucking it! Oh, there's a ladybug. Alright. I wasn't driving very well at the beginning of the day. Because, I mean, I haven't driven the drift car in a long time. But I just got a couple really good runs in. I'm feeling better. I'm feeling good. There's a lot of people dipping out now. So the track should start to clear out. I'll go ahead and do a full overview of the drift car because I've never done that. It's 03 350Z. 225 17s on the back. Straight pipe from the last owner. People do wide body kits. I did a sick slim kit on the rear, if you can see it. I popped a lot of tires is what happened. Homemade block off plate. NRG seats and steering wheel with quick hub. GK Tech Hydro with the bolt-on dual caliper kit. Of course, you got the short throw. When I bought the car, it didn't have any interior in it, like at all. So I bought a parts car and got these door panels and all the rest of the interior pieces that you see in here that are brown and not black. And then I remade that whole interior piece. Say what's up to the YouTube, Devin.
What's up, man?
We got work Euroline N2s. I haven't seen these from anywhere else. This one got a hole in it earlier in the day. I don't know if I can find it, but there's a plug. And then 326 power lug nuts. Z1 short ram intake. Grady tune-up kit. Plenum intake. Mishimoto radiator. I got a bigger power steering cooler off of an 08 car. Other than that, it's just like really OEM stock. We've got the GK Tech adapter kit on the front end to give it like 65 degrees or so, and Godspeed adjustable front arms with, I'm gonna remember. Yeah, start the car. The keys are in your hand.
You gotta push the clutch in to start it.
Huh?
Give it a little something. She sounds alright. You can cut her. runs are today.
I think they improved a lot.
I was telling them how much I sucked at the beginning of the day.
I think once he got out of his head, they were good.
I had a really bad crash the other day, and I was in the hospital before this event for like the whole of last week because I was getting recovered. So when I got in the car, it's the first time I've drove a car since the wreck. So I was like really in my head, and like whenever I made mistakes, I was like really beating on myself. I don't know.
Took a breather.
I did.
He's feeling better now.
I walked back in. We're good. Let's hit it.
From the other side and started talking. He's like, let's get this guy late, man.
Hell yeah! It's not when you go into it.
Well, what was that, Newport Speedway drifting?
Yeah.
We had an all right day. We're leaving now. How do you feel about today, buddy?
At the beginning of the day, I was very stressed out. But I think now that I've gone through this entire day, I'm very confident. I think it was a good day.
I think if you come back, I think you got it.
Oh, absolutely. I think next time I come to this track, I'm definitely going to have it. I think if this was my home track, it would also be another story. But I was learning this track too today. So, I don't know. The car also was like driving really different than I had ever drove it before. The front end was way less grippy, and I'm used to being able to really turn into corners and be able to like initiate, you know what I mean? But,
What you got to say, Devin?
I don't know, man.
You don't know?
It was a good day. Fun while it lasted.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys next time in Homo, Alaska.
And I was like, and he's like, what, like some, Karen from the other side and started